If you're running a Jeep and need extra storage, check this out. These are the Tuyoung lockable roof rack crossbars built to fit Jeep Wrangler JK, JL, and Gladiator JT models. They're heavy duty aluminum with 220-pound capacity, perfect for kayaks, bikes, or extra gear. Easy to install, secure, and built for real outdoor use. Let's take a closer look inside the box. This product comes with two aluminum crossbars. They are the main rails, four mounting feet brackets. They attach to the Jeep rain gutters or hardtop edges. Comes with a locking system built into the bars, lock cylinders pre-installed, two keys, installation hardware kit, bolt screws, washers, Allen wrench or small tools, and also comes with rubber pads or protective strips. And most important, a great instruction manual. Taking a closer look, you can see the aluminum crossbars and the mounting feet that clamp directly into the Jeep's gutter rail. Everything feels solid right out of the box, and the construction is built for real use. Installation is straightforward. The lower clamp hooks under the gutter, and as you tighten it down, it pulls everything tight and locks the bar in place. No drilling, no modifications, just a clean, secure fit. Once everything is tightened down, the lockable end caps go on. This adds a layer of security so the bars stay in place and aren't easily removed. After tightening everything up, you can see how solid these are. No movement, no flex, exactly what you want before loading gear on top. From the side, you can see how clean this install looks. The mounting feet sit tight to the gutter, and the locking cylinders are tucked in and protected. Looking across the roof, the spacing gives you plenty of room for gear, whether you're carrying rods, a kayak, or extra cargo. Overall, these Tuyoung crossbars are a solid addition if you're looking to expand your Jeep storage and carry gear with confidence.